So in this example, basically, ladies and gentlemen, the main important thing is we want to rewrite this in standard form. That was the first thing they asked, write it in standard form. So you always want to have the highest power, not these numbers, not the coefficients, powers. So we write this as y equals negative 5x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 4x squared plus 9. Your numbers or constants are always going to be at the end because they are always x to the 0. Does everybody see how my powers are in descending order? The largest power first down to the smallest. Yes? Do you guys see how that's not the coefficients? It's the powers. Does everybody see that? It's very important. So now we need to determine the end behavior. Well, to determine the end behavior, I think it's important to understand what the degree is and then what the leading coefficient is. The degree is the largest power, which in this case is 4. And the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the term that contains the power of the degree, which is negative 5. Now, to determine end behavior, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need to write this in. But really, this is all you need to determine. Is your degree even or odd? Is your leading coefficient positive or negative? So once you guys write in a standard form, you identify your degree and your leading coefficient. We just need to look at this. And all we really care about for end behavior is it doesn't really matter what the degree is. We just need to know, is it even or odd? So number 4, or the number 4, is that even or odd? It's even because it's divisible by 2, right? All even numbers are divisible by 2. Leading coefficient, it's pretty obvious if it's positive or negative. This one is obviously negative 5, so it's going to be negative. Huh? Positive. No, well, this is a negative 5, so it'd be negative 5. It's OK. It's OK. We'll just pretend you didn't hear anything. All right. So now what you guys are going to do is just look back at your notes. And it's going to take a little while for you guys to remember these notes. But if you constantly do the homework and practice a lot of this, you guys will remember. If you guys look at your notes, what was the end behavior, falls left, falls right, rise left, rise right, when you have an even and a negative? Yes, Julian?
Down left, down right.
Yes, you could say that the end behavior is falls left and falls right. OK, so that's what the end behavior would be. OK? Anybody have any questions on that? Yes? Huh? Only if it would be up left, since the degree is even, if the leading coefficient was positive. So if you look on your notes, there was 2. If it's positive, the graph opens up. If it's negative, the graph opens down. So since the leading coefficient is negative, the graph falls left, falls right. Or you could say down left, down right. OK? But if the leading coefficient is positive, then you would be right. It would be up left, up right.